So, sorry about the horizon. It seems to be sloping, but my Pocket 2 has decided it's going to be sloping behind me. But don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Anyway, today we're looking at the Mini 4 Pro again. We're looking at the slow motion. Now you can do it in 4K, 100 frames, or 1080, which I'm going to do, 1080 at 200 frames. So, what you want to do, what I can do this on the ground at the moment. So if you go over to above the record button, you see the video, you tap on that, the first column where it says normal, you just scroll down to slow motion. Right, so it's been highlighted now. If you look at the bottom there, it says 1080 200 frames. Now I've got no ND filters on. I'm not a great lover of ND filters. Now I probably should have done that going over the sea, but hey ho. So next thing, get that drone up in the air. So what I'm going to try and do is, I can see a boat out there first. I'm going to get the drone up a little bit more. Now I haven't got it on video at the moment. I can see a little fishing boat out there. Let's see if I can. Okay, so there he is. Let's get the video on. I think it's a fishing boat as well. Now I'm up pretty high. I don't want to be too down too low, mainly because tend to be, when you got fishing boats, you have seagulls, and they don't tend to like drones really. So I think this is a good demo, because I was hoping that the waves would be a bit worth looking at. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drop it down a little bit. You can see him there controlling his boat. Looks like there's somebody next to him at the back there. Okay, so we've done the boatman. So I'm going to stop that there. I'm going to turn around with, going to bring up the gimbal. We're going to go along the coast now to capture some of the coast there. Oh, we've got another boat. I don't know where he's going. Where's that boat going? I thought he's going out to the island there. Okay, he seems to be towing something. So we'll see if we can. I think that was the boat we was just following, thinking about it. Anyway, that gives you a different angle. Yeah, it's the same boat. It's just, yeah. Anyway, that gives you a different one there. We'll just turn it back round the other way. We're going to go back this way a bit. I think he's a fishing boat as well, because I just can't really see because he's got like a canopy over. Okay, so he's come out the shot. Right, we'll see if we can go along the coast now. Put it on footage again. Just bring it up a little bit more. So let's bring it down that way. So I'm just going along the coastline very slowly. Obviously in this it's going to be a lot slower. You've got somebody walking looks like a dog, but I might be wrong. There's a couple more people, because what it is, we're at the dog beach today. So anyway, that's it. We're going to bring the drone back in and we'll have a quick chat. So we've still got the wonky horizon. Anyway, Mini 4 Pro, slow motion. Now I'm not going to know what it looks like. Now I could, if I wanted to, play it back on the screen on low res, or could download it onto my phone, but I'm not. I've always look at footage when I'm back at home on the big computer, so I can see what it looks like proper. You know, I mean, it's probably going to look all right on there, but I always prefer to do that. Another thing is, I've got my sunglasses on today, my Polaroid sunglasses, even though that screen to me is bright enough. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed that. I've done a couple of things. There was a couple of boats out there, so you got like the movement of the boat. We went along the coast as well. So yeah, I'm just loving this Mini 4 drone. It's an amazing little drone. Obviously, I've learnt a couple of things. One is it's got a CO identity thing on it now. I didn't realise that, but anyway, anyway, let's chat on that subject. So I hope you enjoyed that as always. Sorry about the horizon. What's going on there? Looks like I might have to go and buy the Pocket 3 now, if this is what it's going to keep doing. So, as always, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, get a thumbs down. But as always, guys, just enjoy flying your drone. And I'll catch you on another one very soon.